Someone literally cut me off the first day I installed this. This is the Vantrue Dashcam N4 Pro S, and I'm going to tell you why this is a must-have, especially if you live in places like South Florida. It's really cool. There's a camera that faces you. There's all these buttons on the bottom. You open this side panel thing, and you need a USB card, like one of those, the little ones, the little tiny ones, micro something, SD maybe. This is not a technical review, so I'm not a technical person, but you slide that thing on, you push it in, this door closes, and pretty straightforward. You know, you have a screen, you have a camera that faces you, and there's a camera that faces out, and then there's a bracket that you attach to your dashboard. And I went ahead and installed it in my dashboard. Here I am just plugging it in into my cigarette lighter. I have a Toyota Highlander, and it was really easy to install. I didn't put it through the door or anything like that. Just have the cord out. So then you plug it in, and then you attach it to the windshield. It only turns on when your car is on, which is really nice. And so I turned it on, and I turned my car on, that turned on, and then I could see like a picture of me. So here's the image of me as I was turning it on and getting it going, and then right when I started using it, we're in our neighborhood, and we get cut off. It happens all the time. This guy totally cut us off, and we live in Florida, and we have roads like I-95. People are crazy drivers down here. So I got one for myself. I'm going to get one for my daughter, my son, and my wife. I really feel safer when we know this is always capturing video and you can save it and look at it and share it. So I highly suggest you get this and check it out. Hey, thanks for watching. If you're interested in purchasing this product, you'll find the Amazon link in the description and in the comments. Check out these other products you might be interested in. And if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe. We'd also love to hear from you. Thanks so much, and we'll see you in the next one.